actually made it! It's a Lego one without following directions. you just put down
Spin it.
You just put down a yellow part, and then you take two long ones with 12 dots on them, and then you put three together, and then you put a black knob through it, and then it keeps it from going all the way up. So you just spin it when you got it made, and it's a Lego fidget spinner by not following directions.